In this video, we're coming up towards an intersection and the vehicle in front of us is signaling that they want to turn right. And so we can't assume that they're going to be out of the way quickly here. It depends on what they see at the intersection. And in this case, there's someone waiting to use this crosswalk. So as we're approaching, we shouldn't always just assume that our lane is going to be clear. We need to start covering the brake and be ready to stop if we need to, in case this vehicle doesn't quite end up in this slip lane as they should. Now, the reason they're kind of sticking out in this bike lane here is because they don't want to charge at the pedestrian in this crosswalk. So it makes sense for them to slow down. Now, of course, ideally, as they're slowing down to give that pedestrian more trust that they can enter into this crosswalk, they should also be mindful of how much of their vehicle is sticking out in this lane. Having said that, it is still our responsibility to ensure that a collision does not happen, right? So this is what I find time and time again is people on the road just assume that someone's going to quickly be out of their way and that they can just continue on their path quickly. But sometimes, again, because of what this vehicle here is dealing with, the turn might take longer than anticipated. And this is when this safe following distance in front of you is going to matter. Now, this following distance here, given our speed, was okay. But if we were going faster, right now, notice we're not going 50 kilometers an hour. We're probably going around 30 kilometers an hour just because of congestion and also because this person is slowing down to make this turn here. But if we were going 50 kilometers an hour, we should be a lot further back so that, again, at a higher speed, you have more time to react. This space in front of you is really important, despite what you see a lot of drivers do, which is disregard the space that they have in front of them.